They call this the land of heat and wind.
But in this harsh desert climate, a strange treasure grows.
The dragon fruit. Vibrant, alien, and sweet.
Vietnam is the kingdom of this fruit, and Phan Thiet is its capital.
Harvesting here is an art of avoiding thorns.
Look at the skin. Scales of a dragon painted in neon pink.
But the real magic of Phan Thiet does not happen during the day.
It happens when the sun goes down.
Watch closely.
Light.
Suddenly, the desert becomes a galaxy of stars.
Farmers use these lights to trick the plants into thinking it is still day.
Creating an eternal summer, so the dragons keep bearing fruit.
Driving through Phan Thiet at night feels like driving through a dream.
Under this golden glow, the giant white flowers bloom.
They only bloom at night, magnificent and fleeting.
A quiet moment in the city of lights.
But let's taste the fruit of this light.
The classic white flesh dragon fruit. Crisp and refreshing.
And the red flesh variety. Sweeter, softer, and staining.
The skin peels away effortlessly.
Like cutting into a soft, juicy cloud.
The texture is like a kiwi, but milder.
It is the taste of hydration. Subtle, sweet, and cooling. Perfect for the tropical heat.
Or blended into a vibrant ruby juice.
Nature's energy drink.
In Phan Thiet, this luxury fruit is as common as apples.
Travelers come for the beach, but they remember the fruit.
A sea of light next to the sea of water.
A spectacle you can only see in Vietnam. The dragon fruit kingdom never sleeps. Red or white? Which team are you on?
Next time, we ride the sand dunes and feast on kings.
Join the journey with Link Vietnam Journey. The beauty is waiting for you.